Hello students of standard 9, how are you beta? Are you fine? Are you staying at home now? Please stay at home, stay healthy. Beta, on the behalf of Awesome Pathak School, I welcome you all. Myself Nilesh Thakur, I am taking your maths lecture. Dear, in this semester we are going to read these following chapters. The first one is polynomial, which we have already completed. I will give you some revisions of that part. Then the second one is coordinate geometry. It is entirely based on the graph part. The third one is introductions to Euclid's geometry. Euclid was one of the greatest mathematicians and he has given some postulates and axioms that we will read about. It is a theory chapter. Then one of the most important and your interesting chapter is constructions of following angles, how to make triangles, how to make the quadrilaterals and like that. Then it is Heron's formula, another greatest mathematicians who derived the Heron's formula, and in this lectures we will start this one chapter only. Statistics, one of the most easiest and one of the most interesting chapters that you will study. Here you can read about the group data, ungrouped data of mean, then classifications, tally marks, you will read about these things. And in the last class also, standard 8, when you are in standard 8, you have read about the probability. It is one of the most simplest one to get out the answers. The questions been given to you and you have to get the answers. At the time also I have told you that in class 9 you will get the concept of probability. Probability answers will always lies between 0 to 1. An impossible probability will be 0 and the certain answers will be 1. So now I will do some revisions of the polynomials chapter, then we will start the Heron's one. Now students, we are having a small revisions of the chapter which we have studied, that is polynomials. I am making a short revisions, that is polynomial chapter number 2. So what is a polynomial? I have written polynomial means it is a chain of terms. It is a change of term. Now what is a term? So terms over here I have given example 2x. So 2 is a number part, any number can be over there, either positive or negative, or variable. X means the variable, means A, B, C, D to X, Y, Z. It can be in any alphabet form. So polynomial is a change of term. Example 2x square, it is a term, 3x is also a term and 3 is also a term. So you can say me how 3 is a term. So I can write over here when 3x multiply with 0, so anything power to the 0 will 1. So 3 to the power 1, it will be 3. So automatically it also forms a polynomial. Now on the basis of the terms, polynomials has been classified. Monomial means having one term, binomial having two terms, trinomial itself says 3, that is 1 plus 2 and 3. It will be 3 terms, then it will be trinomial, and polynomial means more than 3 terms are being classified as polynomials. So you have understood about the terms. Now what is degree? So degree means the highest power of the polynomial. Here means degree means highest power. For example, 3x square plus 4x plus 5. Now here, which is the highest power? You can see over here, the highest power is 2, therefore the degree is 2. Now on the basis of the degree also, polynomial has been classified. I am showing you over that classifications are as linear, quadratic and cubic. What is linear? Having a power 1. When I write a power 1, when having a degree 1, is been known as linear polynomial. When having a degree 2, it is quadratic polynomial, and when having a degree 3, it is a cubic polynomial. So polynomial has been classified on the basis of terms and degree. So are you getting clear of these things? Now I will explain you about the 8 important identities which I have discussed you. Okay. Now students, I am going to explain you about the 8 identities, 8 important identities that I have discussed earlier also. Now you can see over here identities, there are 8 identities. First one is x plus y whole square, it will be x square plus 2xy plus y square. The second identity is x minus y whole square, that is x square minus 2xy plus y square. The third identity is x square minus y square equals to x plus y and x minus y. The fourth identity is x plus a multiplied with x plus b. Here you can see the common variable is x. So x square plus a plus bx plus a into b. Whatever will be value of a and b, just multiply. The fifth identity is used regularly. X plus y plus z whole square, it will be x square plus y square plus z square plus 2xy plus 2yz plus 2zx. The sixth identity is x plus y whole cube. So it is the identity of cube 1. It is a square but it is a cube. The identity's formula is x cube plus y cube plus 3xy bracket x plus y bracket close. Entire terms will be plus. Here it is the reverse one. It is plus over here. It is minus. X minus y whole cube. It will be x cube minus y cube minus 3xy x minus y. And the last identity is x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz equals to x plus y plus z bracket close, again bracket start, x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx. So these are the 8 identities that we have to use in the chapter number polynomial, and you have studied it very clearly. Hope you have understood. Students, now you have understood about the identities. Hope you have got the concept very much clear. Now I am going to explain you about the factorizations. Factorizations of the polynomials. It is one of the important topics that you have to keep it in your mind for standard 10th also. It is very important. Now you can see the questions are being given. Factorize the following polynomials. The questions has been x square plus 11x plus 30. Now what we will do? We have to multiply the first term and the last term. Means 1 into 30, it will be 30. Now in which table it comes? So 2 into 15, 30. Then 3 into 10 is 30, and 5 into 6 it will be 30. So 30 comes in this following tables. हमें सिर्फ यहाँ पर ध्यान रखना होगा कि 30 को इस तरह से हम लोग का फैक्टर्स रेडी करना है. But we have to keep it in mind also that we have to bring out 11 in the middle. 30 plus 1 it will be 31. 30 minus 1 29. Cross 15 plus 2 17. 15 minus 2 13. Cross 10 plus 3 13. But we have to get it over here 11. So it is also not 6 plus 5 11. So I have shown over here x square plus 11x plus 30. We can further write it as 6 plus 5 11 and 6 into 5 30. When we add or separate, we should get the middle term, and when we multiply the both terms, we should get the first term and the last term product. So 6 plus 5 it will be 11x. Now we have to pick out the common terms. So what is the common over here? X. So x we taken out, x plus 6. Whatever the sign will be over here, we keep it over here. Now in both terms, what is common? 5. So I have taken out 5x plus 6. This factor and these terms will be always equal. So x plus 6 we have written one time, and x plus 5 written the next one. The second question it is over here. Again it is, we can see x square plus 18x plus 32. Again we will do the factor of 32. So 32 I have done the factor. So it will be 16 plus 2 18. 16 into 2 32. So I have split it out. Further we can write it x square plus 16x plus 2x plus 32. Now what is the common in between the two terms? The common is x. So I have taken out x. It will be x plus 16. The sign over here we have written the sound. Now what is the common term over here? 2. The x plus 16. Now you can see x plus 16, x plus 16. Every time it should be equal. So I have written down x plus 16, then this is x, and with this sign x plus 2. So x plus 2 multiply with x plus 16, we will get this answer. And the third and the last factorizations, I am over here. X square plus 7x plus 98. I have multiplied 14 minus 7, it will be 7, and 14 into 7, it will be 98. So I have shown over here तो x square plus 7x minus 98. तो further we can write here x square plus 14x minus 7x minus 98. 14 minus 7, it will be 7. 14 into 7, it will be 98. Now what is the common term in both terms? X. X plus 14. Whatever the sign it will be over here, we will keep it over here. 7 and x plus 14, because plus minus it will be minus. It is a basic rule. Plus minus will be minus. 7 into 14, 98. So now again we can see x plus 14, x plus 14 I have written down over here, and x minus 7 I have written down over here. So factorizations of x square plus 7x minus 98 will be x plus 14 multiplied with x minus 7. Hope you have understood the topic very clearly. This was completely revisions of chapter number 2, polynomials. Thank you. Now students, I am going to explain you the new chapter, chapter number 12, that is Heron's formula. Beta, do you know what is the formula of right triangle? Triangles are being classified into 3: equilateral triangle, isosceles triangle and scalene triangle. You know the formula of equilateral triangle. It might be root 3 by 4 side square. Good. Isosceles triangle, it has been given over here. Isosceles triangle, when the two sides, isosceles triangle is a triangle having two sides equal and base a. So it will be a square a upon 4 root over 4b square minus a square. This is the formula of isosceles triangle. Formula of equilateral triangle, having all sides equal, all sides, these sides are equal, so it will be root 3 by 4 side square. But in case of right triangle, this is a 90-degree right triangle, the formula is half into base into altitude. बेटा इट्स लिटिल बिट कंफ्यूजन, आपको दिमाग में कंफ्यूजन हो ना कि कौन सा ट्राइंगल में कौन सा फॉर्मूला अप्लाई करना है. तो रिलेटेड टू दिस, ये तो हम लोग कैलकुलेशंस कर भी लिए, बट anyone haven't derived the formula of scalene triangle. Scalene triangle means scalene कैसा ट्राइंगल होता है जिसके तीनों साइड्स अलग होते हैं, कोई 5 होगा, कोई 6 होगा, कोई 7 होगा. तो अब इसका कैसे निकालेंगे? तो scalene triangles are the triangles having no same sides. तो इसके लिए Heron, one of the greatest mathematicians, who have derived a formula to find out the triangles formula, that is Heron's, that is A, B, C, all three sides are different. तो S, that is semi perimeter, S stand for semi perimeter. Semi perimeter equals to A plus B plus C upon 2. Now area of triangle, it is root over S, S minus A, S minus B and S minus C. This is the formula by which we can take out any questions area of triangle. If we apply this formula, we can get the answers by any triangle. Now students, I have explained you about how to find out the Heron's formula, how to apply Heron's formula to take out the area of triangle. It is very, very difficult to take out, to remember which type of triangle it is. So it is better you must use this Heron's formula to get the solutions of the area of triangle. I have written down two examples over here. First, find the area of a triangle whose sides are 8, 11 and 13. Clearly you can see over here it is an scalene triangle. So no formula has been known for the scalene triangle before Heron's derived this formula. So here solution is over here. What we will take? We will take A as 8, B as 11 and C as 13. So S, that is semi perimeter, equals to A plus B plus C upon 2. 8 plus 11 plus 13 upon 2, that is 32 divided by 2. We get the value of S as 16. Now I am applying the formula, Heron's formula. This is S root over S, S minus A, S minus B and S minus C. So value of S is 16, value of A is 8, value of B is 11 and value of C is 13. So 16 is 16, 16 minus 8, 8, 16 minus 11, 5 and 16 minus 13 is 3. Now I have split down this 16, 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, it will be 16, 8, that is 2 into 2 into 2 and this 5 and this 3. Now it is a basic rule to form a pair. If it is forming a pair, then we can take it out from the square root. So these two pair बना, एक बाहर आ गया. These two form a pair, 1 taken out. These two form a pair, we have taken out. But there is no pair of 2, 5 and 3. So we multiply 2 5s are 10, 10 3s are 30. So 2 into 2 into 2, it will be 8 and root 30. That the area of triangle is 8 root 30 centimeter square, because it is centimeter and area is always two dimensional. So answer will be in square or meter square or centimeter square. Another example is over here. It is in the form of ratio. The sides of a triangular plot. Suppose this is a triangular plot. So it has been given in this region. This one and this one are in the ratio 3, 5, 7. Suppose this is 3, this is 5, this is 7. Now we have to take out an entire perimeter is 300. We have been given the perimeter of 300. तीनों side को add करेंगे तो 300. So find the area. So let the sides be 3x, 5x and 7x, because it is the ratio part. As we know that perimeter means addition of three sides. So 3x plus 5x plus 7x equals to 300. Addition is 15x equals to 300. So the value of x will be 20. Now value of x is 20, but one side is 3x. So 3 into x, it will be 60. 5 into 20, 5x, that is 5 into 20, it will be 100. And 7x, 7 into 20, it will be 140. So we got the three sides, 60, 100 and 140. Now we are applying S, Heron's formula. A plus B plus C upon 2, 60 plus 100 plus 140 divided by 2, that will be 300 divided by 2, it will be 150. Now applying Heron's formula, root area of triangle equals to root over S, S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. The value of S is 150, value of A is 60, value of B is 100 and value of C is 140. So 150 will be 150, 150 minus 60, it will be 90, 150 minus 100, it will be 50 and 150 minus 140, it will be 10. Now I will split out 150, that is 3 into 5 into 10, it will be 150, 3 into 3 into 10, it will be 90, 5 into 10, it will be 50 and 10 and 10. Now we are forming a pair. So 1, 2, so 1, 3 has been taken out, 1, 5 and another 5 I have taken out, 1, 2, 10, I have taken out this one, this one. So now which is remaining? This 3 is remaining. So 3 into 5 into 10 into 10 under root 3. 3 5s are 15, 15 into 100, it will be 1500 root 3 meter square. So this is the formula this is the method to take out the area of triangle by Heron's formula. Hope you have understood this topic. I am giving you some sums for practicing. Please practice this by yourself. Use the Heron's formula only. You will get the sure and certain answer. Now students, I have explained you how to find out the area by applying Heron's formula. Now here are some questions that you have to find it by yourself, how to find out the area of triangles. The questions are over here. The side of a right triangles A, B, C are 5, 12 and 13. Find the area of triangle. You can apply half into base into height also, and you can apply Heron's formula also. So you can apply, it's my suggestions, you apply both formula so that you can get that by both formula you get the answer. It is a right triangle. Second question is find the area of an equilateral triangle whose side is 10. As we know that equilateral triangle is a triangle having all sides equal. So you can apply equilateral triangle formula also, that is root 3 by 4 side square, or apply the Heron's formula that all sides are same, that is A, B, A and C value will be 10. Then third question, find the area of a triangle whose sides are 5, 5, 8. It is isosceles triangle. Apply the Heron's formula also and isosceles formula also, which I have shown you. Now fourth one, find the area of a triangle whose sides are 40 centimeter, 24 centimeter and 32 centimeter. You have to use Heron's formula for that topic. And the last question, the perimeter of a triangular ground is 900 meter and its sides are in the ratio 3:5:4. Use the Heron formula and find out the area of the ground. Students, use Heron's formula. It is better that you can get the answers by applying Heron's formula in all the 5 questions. Hope you have understood the topic very clearly. Please don't take the help of others. Do it by yourself. Thank you.